Oh, hi, this is Srini Dati from South California. Today is Saturday evening, uh, about 5 p.m. in the Irvine Newport Beach area. Okay, nice weather in 70s, little cloudy. So today we'll talk about uh, the crypto coins, more around what happened over the week and what's coming, and also in the marketplace. Okay, so first we'll start with the market. Uh, so the market was losing steam, especially on the Nasdaq, on the techie stocks. It made up a little bit, but overall, I think for the week it was on the red. Same goes to Dow. I think on Thursday or so, Dow lost close to 200 points and Nasdaq lost about 100 points. Um, so there is a downward trend in the market, especially in the technology stocks. As most of us know, they are overheated, and certain corrections are going on in the market. Okay, so watch out for those corrections. I think Tesla lost at least 20% on Thursday. All the FANG stocks also came down. There was a slight decline in gold and silver too. Okay, now back to crypto coins. It was an eventful week, mostly on the decline. I think the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, they all lost a bit from the beginning of the week, as much as 12%. So yesterday was the lowest. If you were in the cryptocurrency market yesterday and this morning, was good time to buy. When I last checked, it made up for the losses. Bitcoin, as of 10 minutes back, it was around 2,550. Ethereum is around 245. Ethereum hasn't made up, recovered a lot. It was around 280, 290, and it came down. So it's still down about $50 from, say, a week back. Um, Again, my favorite coin still continues to be Litecoin. Uh, Yesterday it was trading around 45, 44, and if you were lucky to buy at that rate, it was good, because right now it's back to 52. Okay, seems like 51, 52 is the sweet spot for Litecoin. Ripple, I wrote an article on Ripple. I talked a little bit about that, so check out my previous videos and link to the article. um, Ripple was around 26, 27 cents last week. uh, it came down. It was around 22 cents uh, this morning. I think right now it is hovering around 23. Ripple, I think is a good one to in you know invest in and keep it for the future. It has good potentials to grow because of the market it plays in. Ripple is not mined. Okay, there are no mining done in Ripple. Ripple is a protocol for banking transactions, and more banks use it. The Ripple value will go up, and Ripple is transactions bank to bank is under 10 seconds uh, if Ripple is used as the protocol for transmission, whereas standard banking transaction bank to bank take a couple of days, as you know. Okay, so it has a lot of future. I would invest in it for the longer run. So Litecoin continues to be my favorite. uh, like I mentioned before, it's fast, and whenever there seems to be some network related issue or sluggishness with Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin seems to be the preferred coin for investing. Okay. Bitcoin, uh, there is a open issue with Bitcoin right now. That's why Bitcoin is trading around that $2,500 mark, not budging up as much. By the end of this month, uh, Bitcoin, uh, the developers and miners need to come to an agreement on what they call as a SegWit. Okay, SegWit is segregated witness, meaning it's kind of a protocol to allow Bitcoin to be mined faster. Okay, right now, Bitcoin is mining very slow. I believe, from what I gathered, it's about 6 coins per second, but it has the highest volume. So when it hit the peak around that $3,000 a couple of weeks back, there were millions of transactions that were kind of got stuck and was waiting. That's because of the slowness with the current protocols that the blockchain is. Because I think when the blockchain was built for Bitcoin, they probably didn't expect as much volumes and traffic when it was built 8 years back or so. Okay. Um, so in the next few days, I think Bitcoin, the members of the developers and the miners have a bunch of discussions going on. So hopefully they will come to an agreement. And if they go with a SegWit, which I believe is the preferred option, then Bitcoin will be mined faster, and it will take off based on what I understand. But if for any reason the SegWit doesn't happen, and the developers go with alternatives, then there could be a split. They call it fork. Okay, uh, the soft fork and hard fork. So then the Bitcoin may split, and Bitcoin being the oldest coin and has the most investment, and it's over. I think it is the highest capital value for Bitcoin. There's it can have impact on other coins too. I think that's one of the reason of this uncertainty that folks are investing in Litecoin, and Litecoin is going up because Litecoin doesn't have these issues. They took care of it when they built Litecoin a couple of years back, and recently the SegWit was allowed. Protocol was followed by the Litecoin folks, and is one of the fastest test platforms along with Ethereum. Okay, so that's where things are. Again, my favorite, like I said, is Litecoin, followed by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple 2 is a good one. I'm doing some research on Dash. I bought a couple of Dashes. I'm still trying to understand what exactly Dash would do and in this marketplace, and how it follows through. But from volume wise, it seems like it's picking up. Same goes to Steemit. So Dash and Steemit, I'll do some more research, and if there's something interesting from an investment standpoint, I will talk about that in my future videos. Okay. So that's it for now, and have a good rest of the evening, and talk to you soon. Bye.